You ready? You sure?
Yes. Beverly,
Yes, hello.
how are you?
I'm good. Just listening. Hello. Let me be manageable. Hi, Mr. Bernstein.
Hello there.
Let's take it down a little bit here.
Yes, I've been listening to you guys for more than about 20 years, but now I'm trying to ask a quick question.
What?
I'm trying to, excuse my granddaughter, I'm trying to do a fiance visa, but I'm trying to find out what the income is. My usual income is $38,000, but I got ill and I didn't work this year much. I'm going back to work next week.
Okay.
So I'm trying to find out what does the income have to be.
When did you file your fiance visa?
I'm trying to file it in about January.
In January. And I hear a baby in the background. That's your baby, or you're taking care of that baby?
No, that's my granddaughter.
It's your granddaughter. So how many people in your family?
On my income when I file is only two.
Who is that?
Just my two boys. They're only 11 and 7.
Okay, so you're going to be now a family of 4. Is that correct?
No, this is my granddaughter.
I know, but you have 2 sons. Yourself
yes, you're right.
3.
You're right. My bad. I'm
and
sorry.
Your fiance would be 4. Okay.
You're right.
And for a family of 4, let's see, you're going to need $30,375 or more.
Okay, so
if you're making income of over $30,000 next year, you're fine.
Okay. And how long does a fiance visa?
It's about 9-10 months. File the fiance visa, and if you don't have enough, income at that point, you could always get a second affidavit of support.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you. So it's best to just go ahead and file.
Go ahead and do it. Correct.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you. All right.
Thanks a lot.
My blood pressure is through the roof with you, by the way. Through the roof with you. Give it an F. I don't give an F. That's what he's been telling me for 2 hours. I don't give an F.
It's your blood pressure, dude.
I don't give an F. Cindy.
Yes.
How are you?
Hello.
How are you?
I'm fine.
What's going on?
Oh, okay. I have a question. I came here legal, but I filed out of status, and I got married in 2005, and we have 3 children, but I have 4 kids. So with my husband, we got 3 kids together. So the situation is that I tried to go and get my
kids, or you have 3 kids or 4 kids? You said.
No, I got 4 kids. 3 with my husband, and one before him.
All right, got it. And they all live with you and your husband.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now you're a family of 6 people.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Well,
so what's the problem?
The problem is that we tried to go and get the green card, do the application, but we found out that my husband's previous relationship, marriage, we can find the annulment paper.
Annulment or a divorce?
No, he did an annulment paper.
All right,
when he was in the army.
If you can't find it, you know who has it? The court where he did it.
Oh, we looked for it. They say they don't have it.
Well, then he never did an annulment.
Wow.
He's mistaken or he's lying. One or the other. I mean, that's just frankly what it is. He's got to get a divorce. He's either mistaken. If he went to the court where he claims he did an annulment and the court says there's no record of it, he's either mistaken. I'm not calling him a liar. He's either mistaken that he has an annulment, or mistaken on what court to look in, or he is making up stories. Now, is it possible that he went to the wrong court? Yeah, I mean, we could always do a search through the entire state, in every court in the state looking for an annulment. But if it's not there and he doesn't have the papers, guess what? It didn't happen.
Okay, so now that they told us to go and find a family lawyer.
You need a divorce attorney. No, you need a divorce attorney.
And they're all here.
Okay, you're in Texas. You need a divorce attorney in Texas to go divorce him from his wife, and then your marriage to him right now is not valid, and then you would have to remarry him again, because right now it's a void marriage. You can't be married to 2 people at the same time. You would remarry him again. That would be the legal marriage, and then he would file for you.
Okay, but the problem is that he don't want to see no lawyer. He do not want to see nobody.
Then he's got a big issue, because he's a bigamist and he doesn't want to come to terms with it.
And now I just got abusive with me because I keep on asking him to go see somebody.
Now I will say this, okay? Being in an abusive relationship. Now you do not have a legal marriage, but there is a rule in the VAWA cases, in the VAWA rules, that if you are in a bigamous marriage and believed you were in a real marriage, it still counts for Violence Against Women's Act claim. So although you would not be legally eligible to file an adjustment based on a bona fide marriage to your spouse, if there's now abuse and there's emotional abuse, there's mental abuse, perhaps physical abuse, and you're in a bigamous marriage and you believed you were in a real marriage, you didn't enter into a bigamous marriage, then you can still file a VAWA application. So hold on one second. We can help you, Cindy, okay?
And the number is 1-800-529-5465. Give that number a call right now so this way you can get your immigration questions answered on the radio, 1-800-529-5465, or place your questions on the social media page. All right, 1-800-529-5465.
All right, let's go to Janice in Hartford. Janice.
Hi,
Janice,
Brad. How are you?
How you doing?
How you doing, Janice?
I'm good, Brad.
What's going on?
I have a question here.
Go ahead.
Yes. Can somebody file affidavit of support for somebody else who is not living in the same state?
Yes.
Yes.
You can be anyone in the United States can give an affidavit of support for anybody else who wants to enter the United States with a green card, provided they have they're a permanent resident or a U.S. citizen.
Oh, because my son-in-law is in Pennsylvania, but his income is not enough, and I'm in Connecticut, and they're saying that I cannot do the affidavit of support for him.
Who's
Why?
they? Who's they?
I don't know who tell him that.
Well, that's wrong. You can absolutely do it.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you. That's why I call you Brad, because I know if you don't know, nobody else will know.
No, that's straightforward. You can do it. All right. By the way, we have an office. By the way, we have an office in Hartford, Connecticut.
Yes, they were just telling me where in Hartford the office is.
1 Congress Avenue.
Oh, on Congress Avenue?
Yes, right. 2 blocks.
I'll
blocks
find
from the
that
courthouse.
office.
Avenue or street?
Street.
Okay.
Is it street or
I'll
avenue?
find it. Thank you, Brad.
I think it's street.
It's street. Maybe
have a good one.
There it is. 1 Congress Street or 1 Congress Avenue, but it's 1 Congress.
1 Congress Street.
Right, street. Excuse me, and it's 2
believe it.
blocks from the
Street.
courthouse. Yes.
Street.
I keep saying avenue. I don't know why. Okay, it's street.
Yes,
okay.
it's street.
All right. Yep, right there. And
Yes,
and
Brad,
we have
thanks.
free parking, Squeeze. I'm told.
Oh, good.
Yes.
That's very good.
Right, you can drive right there, park for free.
Very,
Not
very
like
good.
New York City where you got to pay for parking. But you don't give an F anyway, so who cares?
That's not negative.
But you don't care.
That's not negative.
I don't give an F. Mark in Little River, Maryland.
Hi, good morning, gentlemen.
How are you?
I'm pretty good. Just here outside of work. So, question for you guys. I got married back in August. Now, I only have my green card. I've been in the United States since 1989.
Okay.
I came here.
Okay.
And my wife died, and now I remarried. And I need to know, with the green card, I'm trying to wait for my U.S. citizenship. I'm just filing that. Should I wait for that before I file?
Where's your wife?
I got 2.
Where's your wife now?
She's here right now on a visitor's visa, but she's going back.
File for her now. File for her
Uh-huh.
now, and that way, when you become a citizen, you could upgrade it, and it'll be a lot faster than waiting for you to become a citizen and then filing. You already started. You already went down halfway down the conveyor belt already, so to speak.
Yeah, and we also have 2 boys, so I'll file for them at the same time.
Absolutely.
Too, right?
Right. Separate I-130.
Okay.
Well, yes, separate I-130s.
So about 130. Okay. Tell me something. Would it better for me to go through a lawyer or go through your office? Do you have an office in Washington, D.C.?
We do not have an office in Washington, D.C., but we do phone consultations. We can do everything through the mail. And if there is need for interviews or whatever, we will travel to you. Okay? You don't have to travel to us. Yes, we can help you. Hold on one second, okay? Stacy.
Hi.
How are you?
Good.
What's up?
I'm good. How are you? Hi,
Good.
Steve. Hi, Brad.
Hey, how you doing?
I have a question. So I've been married to my husband for 6 months, and he was supposed to move to Washington with me, but he is on house arrest for something he did back in 2015. So I'm wondering if I should if I'm able to still file my paperwork here in Washington since he's.
What do you mean he's under house arrest? Is he living with you in the house under arrest?
No, he's actually in Florida. That's where he went to visit his mom, and he got arrested because he had a warrant.
All right, so you're not living together, so you're not going to be able to file until you live together.
So I have to wait until he gets off.
Or go live with him in his house with his mom under house arrest, if that's literally what it is.
Okay.
All right, but you got to live together.
Okay. All right, thank you.
All right.
Hi, good afternoon.
How are you?
I'm doing pretty good.
What's going on?
Yeah, I have a question. My nephew is in Jamaica, and my mother was at custody of the child, but my mother deceased, and I'm the one taking care of the child. On what grounds could I take the petition for the child without adopting the child?
Where is the child now?
The child is in Jamaica.
The only way you're going to be able to do it is do some sort of adoption as an orphan petition.
Only by adoption?
And not going to Jamaica to do an adoption, doing an orphan petition. If the child is out of the country, you have no relationship to this child.
Yes.
All right, so basically you would have to bring that child up as an orphan, has no mother, no father, and you want to bring the child up to the United States to do an adoption. That would be the only way.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. All right, let's go to Sarah in Brooklyn, and then we're going to go to our social media queen. Sarah.
1-800-529-5465.
Hello?
Sarah, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Good. What's up?
So, my parents brought me here when I was a kid, around 12 years old. I came without no status, no proof of entry.
How old are you now?
I am 31.
Mm-hmm. Did you do DACA?
I did DACA. I got denied twice.
Why?
They told me that I needed to show how I entered the country.
No, you don't.
But I came here through Canada.
No, you don't have to show how you entered. You did it wrong. But it's too late now, unfortunately. You just had to show you were here before 2007. Before June 15th.
Right, I did that, and I still got denied.
All right, so you did it wrong. But unfortunately, it's past the point now because Donald Trump is not allowing it anymore. So what are we going to do to help you now? You need a green card.
Well, I want it. Right.
All right. So you need an appointment. I don't know. I don't have the answer to how to get you a green card at this moment. You're out of status. You came here as a child. You need a full consultation with me. So hold on 1 second, okay?
Okay.
All right.
1-800-529-5465. That's 1-800-LAWLINK. Give us a buzz.
All right. We have one more person on hold. Let's do that, and then we'll go to social media queen. All right. This is somebody from Queens. I don't know who it is. Hello?
Yes, Brad. How are you doing?
How are you, sir?
Yeah, man, I'm here. I need to ask you a question. Tell me something. How long is it that when a sister files for a brother, it takes to come through?
12, 13, 14 years. A long time.
13, 14 years, a long time?
Yeah.
All right. I'm the person father. I'm a green card holder here, right?
Mm-hmm.
I've been here 2 years now. Is there anything that I can do to help him to expedite his situation?
You are the father of this child that you want to be able to get a green card for.
Yeah, okay. But I mean, his sister has filed. It's filing, from about 2014.
Okay, and he's single or married?
Me, I'm married. My wife and I is here.
Him.
Oh no, he's single. But he was over the age.
Where is he?
He's in Jamaica. In Jamaica.
Yeah, file for him. It'll be a lot faster you filing for him than the sister.
So I can file for him, but no, I can start doing it now because I'm here 2 years now.
Start right now.
Mm-hmm.
Absolutely.
Okay, and how much years will it take? Because it's going to take me 5 years.
About 6 or 7 years if you start now and he stays unmarried.
Okay, because it's going to take me 5 years it's going to take me 5 years to become a citizen, right?
Well, you got a green card through marriage, so maybe 1 more year.
1 more year for me to become a citizen.
But file the I-130 now, and you're eligible for citizenship as long as you are in a bona fide marriage with your spouse for 3 years.
Yeah, man, we're married for 25 years, you know?
Wait. How old is your son?
Well, how old is he now?
Yeah.
He's 24, going 25 now.
So why doesn't your wife file for him? She's the U.S. citizen. She's a stepmom. That'll even be faster.
No. My wife is, both of us are green card holder.
Oh, okay, fine. All right. Oh, so then your daughter filed for you. I understand. All right, so yeah, you're going to wait 3 more years to become a citizen, but put in the papers for your son now.
I'll put it in now.
Yes.
So it won't be any problem like my daughter has already have that file.
Absolutely not. Is your wife the mother?
Yeah, man. Yeah,
Okay,
man.
so let the wife do it because it's an easier case.
It's an easier case for she to do it?
Yes.
Okay, all right, no problem.
All
Thank
right.
you, brother.
All right, thank
Cool?
you.
Yeah.